Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if LENOVO Tab P12 comes with earbuds inside of the box. Here's the LENOVO Tab P12 with Tab Pen Plus, and let's open the box to see what's inside and if there are earbuds. The first thing we see is the tablet. So let's take it out, and then on the right side you get a charging cable and a charging brick, and on the left side you get a pencil replacement tip, the pencil, documentation like quick start guides, warranty cards and safety guides, and an SD card tray opener. So that's all for today. There's no earbuds inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.